Hey guys, so I cleaned up the seats and all the plastic. Put some plastic conditioner on it, so it really looks brand new again. Really has that black sheen to it. Before it kind of looked kind of gray, if you remember. So like a black gray. So yeah, it's really got some nice sheen to it. I did that with the whole truck. So the red even has a bit of a sheen. Kind of looks a little newer. I think overall it's going to look really good. If you remember, all these trim pieces, which it isn't screwed on yet, and the bumper was red, same as the car, and all these trim pieces were white. And yeah, we just painted them black. I think it looks a lot better. And for the hood too, I just put some that plastic. Same stuff I did on the seat over here, just basically a plastic conditioner. It works really good, cleans it up, makes it have that kind of new sheeny look to it a bit. So here's the back bumper I painted. It was all red. I decided to paint it black. I was going to paint the whole thing black, but as I was going, I'm like, hey, it's got all these little grooves and stuff. Let's try and keep those red, and we'll paint everything else black. And I think it turned out pretty nice. There's some spots that probably needed to be touched up, but it looks good. I'm just selling this one, getting this one out. So you know, for an untrained eye, if you're looking it over real quick, I think it looks pretty good. The Hummer really stands out, pops. I find it looks really good. And again, I use the plastic restore, or just like a conditioner in all the red spots in the bumper as well. So I think it looks good. Pops a little bit. The red looks really good on this truck. Before it kind of had like a chalky, kind of almost like a pinky look to it. Now I put that stuff onto it, and for the most part, really pops. I was trying to buy stickers, a sticker kit for this. Seem to be really hard to find. I don't know if they make them much anymore. I just found it really hard to find. I looked for a long time. People had plans for these, or like just looks like a photo of these. I don't think it would really help in my situation to go and take it to a place and get stickers made. So I decided to leave it like this. You know, sell it for much cheaper than Power Wheels are going for online here. Used, I think it looks really good, especially from the condition it was in before. So yeah, we're just going to put her all back together. The bumper and the trim piece isn't attached, screwed on. So we're going to start putting her back together and getting her all hooked up and getting ready to sell. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this going. Okay, here we have a broken part of the grill. I'm going to attempt to fix it. So basically what I did is took tin foil, wrapped it around. First I cut out a piece of paper in the shape, and I was going to transfer it to a piece of cardboard to try and take the grill off separate and try to form and try to make this piece with fiberglass. I then had this great idea of using tin foil. Not sure if it'll work. I think it's going to work better, just the simple fact I'll be able to get the curvature. As you can see, it curves a bit this way, so I'll be able to get the curvature just right if I do it right on the hood. So that's what I'm going to attempt to try. We're going to mix up some putty here and throw it on, and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, so for this application I'm using two 6-volt batteries connected together to make 12 volts. So what I'm going to end up doing is crunching these terminals down and put it on here, and it's a 12 volt system. These are the batteries I'm using. 6 volt, 12 amp hour. So pretty good battery. It should last good amount of riding. So I bought this for about $25, I believe. This whole piece wasn't existing before. I made it of fiberglass, like a fiberglass Bondo type stuff. Works really good. So yeah, I bought it for 25 bucks. Painted all this trim here. It used to be white. I put $10 worth of batteries in it. I got two 6-volt batteries. So I set it up for 12 volts, and I bought a $15 charger. So I'm probably in about 50 bucks. I sold it for 120. I did on all the plastic. I put like a plastic restore vitalizer used for car trims. It's a gel type product. Just wipe it on. It's very easy, makes it look new, and I think it looks fantastic. It was in really rough shape when I got it. It didn't actually work. I had to clean out the switch in here. Ripped it apart, got the switch, cleaned it out, cleaned the contact points, and she's good to go. The stickers are falling off, yes, but for what it is, it looks fantastic. Somebody bought it, and that's the whole purpose of this, is to fix them up so other people can get some enjoyment out of it. Alright, thanks for watching my video. If you like this, subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. If you want to see other videos like this, or just want to give a comment, you can do that down below in the comment section. Keep watching. Thanks, guys.